Rosenberg. I'm a member of Rosenberg and Rodriguez, and we specialize in the field of personal injury law. Thousands of car accidents happen every year in the state of New York, but very few people know exactly what they should do in case such a tragedy strikes them. Number one, you should always remain at the scene of the accident. Do not let the other driver talk you into leaving, even if you feel that it's not your fault. Number two, if you're injured, call the ambulance. If you're not injured, call the police. Call 911. Make sure the accident is investigated and documented, because at a later time, the other party may twist the events and make it seem like it was your fault. Number three, check for witnesses. Make sure to take their information, their name, their phone number, so that you may be able to contact them at the later time, just in case they leave before the police arrives. Number four, make sure to take the information of the police officer or the police precinct that took the police report down, so that you can request the police report later. Number five, go to the emergency room if you experience any pain. Do not refuse medical attention just because you're afraid of what's going to happen with your car. The police will tow away your car and make sure it's safe, and make sure that you're able to pick up your car the next day. The next day, you can call our firm, Rosenberg and Rodriguez, at 212-233-3305 for a free consultation. We can provide the free consultation either over the phone or in our office located at 40 Fulton Street in Manhattan or 87 Church Street in Long Island. I hope you stay safe this holiday season.